So this is my warning to Jairnel Castillo, ha, best spill. I am telling you, you have to stop making nonsense in social media. Do you know when I talk to Ate Nenet, oh, if you're watching this, best spill, Jairnel Castillo, um, that is really bad to bullying the fan of TVJ. Best Bill, aka Jairnel Castillo. You know Jairnel Castillo, you're a fanatic of Tape Incorporated. I know. And you curse Vico Soto for calling him a rude, the word in Filipino, bastos. So how come is Cal I mean not Calvin Cuevas, I'm talking saying how come that Vico Soto, sorry, Vico Soto was a rude person, and you call Ma'am Jessa Fernandez taksil? You best pill, show respect to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez and Vico Soto. Vico Soto is a son of Vic Soto. Ma'am Jessa Fernandez is a wife of Calvin Cuevas, Sir Calvin. Oh. Because they are siding with TVJ. Oh, as I'm saying to you, best pill, whether if you like it or not, if you bully other people in social media, if you post about against TVJ, no, na post about against TVJ, best pill. Jairnel Castillo, best pill. If you're watching this in my YouTube blog, stop it already. I mean, my Facebook, I never make fake account. Oh, I never attack Gio Malana. I never use the name of Gio Malana on Facebook because that was a cyber crime. That is a cyberbullying. You, best pill, you insulted the Vico Soto. I say to you, best pill, Jairnel Castillo. You insulted Vico Soto. You make a cyber libel. Like I said to you, best pill, you might get sued by Vico Soto. It's mean in Filipino, makakasuhan ka na, best pill. Aka Jairnel Castillo. You know, best pill, why are you kept criticizing the fans of TVJ? Do you know there was a Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, Best Pill, aka Jairnel Castillo? Right now, after I move on with Mang Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, and next, this Best Pill, Jairnel Castillo, who posted against TVJ, and he criticized during the last Holy Week, he criticized the Eat Bulaga TVJ production Lenten special. And you call the TVJ our crybabies. And you know, Best Pill, Jairnel Castillo, you should pay for what you have done. You should pay for what your consequences that you did to the fans of TVJ. Best Pill. I say to you, Best Pill, aka Jairnel Castillo, stop bullying to the fans of TVJ. I know for me this is really hard to say when you keep bullying on TVJ fans. That is your fault. You know me, I'm not making enemies. Oh, look at me. I never make enemies. Hey, you, Bespil, aka Jairnel Castillo, you have lots of enemies. Jairnel Castillo, Bespil. Because you want your favorite actor, Paolo Contis, you call him a daddy. Paolo Contis has done in host in Tahanang Pinakamasaya, and the tape incorporated was no more. It's ended now. If I were you, Bespil, Jairnel Castillo, I should put you in the enemy list. One more fake news again, Bespil, Jairnel Castillo. Some of TVJ fan are gonna bash you. They are gonna bash against you, I think. However, if you didn't really how to stop Bespil, if you curses me profanity, you call me PI, you call me GAGO, you call me T-word in Tagalog, that's your consequences, Bespil. AKA Jairnel Castillo. As you know, Bespil, whether you post about nonsense, whether you attack anyone, I should put you in the enemy list. Together with Mang Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Ivy Montaleola, Jeffrey Beltran, Anya Santos Dumaloog, and even Mang Rodelio Daguman, of course, even Anthony Solares, even Movie Chaser and John Dan Ramirez. Oh, I say to you, Bespil, you do not post any kind of fake news on social media, in Facebook. This is really nonsense, right? You know, Shania Kiana is asking me that Bespil is posting about against TVJ. You tell him he didn't stop. Oh, he didn't stop. Bespil, aka Jairnel Castillo, just stop it already. Do not blame other people. Do not blame Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. Do not blame Vico Soto. Because Ma'am Jessa Fernandez is a fan of TVJ. Oh, Vico Soto is the son of Vic Soto. He's a mayor of Pasig City. And you, Bespil, Jairnel Castillo, enough about your fake news, speculation. Even you're saying you want Maine Mendoza and Alden Richards to reinstate each other. Maine Mendoza was already married to Arjo Atayde. Alden Richards has his own new girlfriend, is Catherine Bernardo, who was break up with Daniel Padilla. Oh, like I said, Katniel is no more. Aldab is no more. So, Bespil, Jairnel Castillo, it's time to end up your fake news. And enough about the love team of Paolo Contis and Nancy McDonough. And enough about the love team of Paolo Contis and Ara San Agustin. Paolo Contis is already married to Yan Santos. Period. Bespil. Jairnel Castillo. I say to you, Bespil.